when there was 1, then became 2, and then became 3. This is the new RF900R, joining our little stable, living outside as they always do, a little bit ratty. May well go matte black. She is called Blitz, and a lot faster than this one is. This one is being my Intruder 800. So dashboard, 52,000 miles on the clock. Little markers for 30 and 50 and go faster. No, there's no indicator for go faster, I'm joking. Okay, so she's in, she might need a little bit of choke, so it's manual choke. Got lowering the dog bones. Right, if the rain stays away long enough, I've got lowering dog bones to go under her suspension and try and lower her down a bit. She's not got a great deal of clearance, but I can't touch the floor properly on her. We've lowered the seat a little bit, so we've cut away a little bit of that, and all good. She's an L reg, and I think it's 95, round about that. I'll put in a date. So yeah, so that's Blitz. Join in the General and this one. Bit of a project, and let's see how I do on a sports bike, sports tourer. Thanks for watching. The roads are a little bit shitty. My poor girl, she might need a wash. Oh, my poor girl.